Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
In today's video, we'll be diving into the fascinating world of WordPress speed optimization. If you're a website owner or a WordPress enthusiast looking to supercharge your website's performance, you're in the right place.
Before we get started, let's understand why speed optimization is so crucial for your WordPress website. Did you know that website visitors expect a page to load in just a few seconds? In fact, a 1-second delay in page load time can lead to a significant drop in user engagement and conversions. But fret not. Today, we're going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to optimize the speed of your WordPress website, ensuring that it loads lightning fast and keeps your visitors engaged. Measure the current speed. To kick things off, you need to assess your website's current performance. There are plenty of online tools available like Metrics, PageSpeed Insights, and Pingdom tools that can provide you with valuable insights into your website's speed and performance metrics. Take note of metrics such as page load time, page size, and the number of requests made. This will help you gauge the effectiveness of your optimization efforts. Choose a reliable hosting provider. Your hosting provider plays a crucial role in determining your website's speed. Look for a hosting service that specializes in WordPress and offers optimized servers for maximum performance. Host. Consider managed WordPress hosting services that provide built-in caching and other performance optimizations to ensure your website loads swiftly. Enable caching. Caching is a powerful technique that stores static versions of your website, reducing the load on your server and speeding up page load times. Install and configure a caching plugin like WP Rocket, W3 Total Cache, or WP Super Cache. These plugins will help you enable page caching, object caching, and browser caching, making your website faster and more efficient. Optimize images. Images are often the largest files on a website, and if left uncompressed, they can significantly slow down your website's load time. Compress and optimize your images to reduce their file size without compromising on visual quality. You can use fantastic image optimization plugins like Imagify, Smush, or EWWW Image Optimizer, which automatically optimize your images upon upload. Minify and combine CSS/JS files. Minifying your CSS and JavaScript files involves removing unnecessary whitespace, comments, and formatting, resulting in smaller file sizes and faster loading times. Consider using plugins like Autoptimize or W3 Total Cache, which automate this process for you. By combining multiple CSS and JavaScript files into a single file, you can reduce the number of requests made to the server, further boosting your website's speed. Optimize database. Your WordPress database can accumulate unnecessary data, spam, and post revisions over time, which can slow down your website. Regularly clean up and optimize your database using plugins like WP Optimize or WP Sweep. These tools help you remove unnecessary bloat, keeping your database lean and your website running smoothly. Enable gzip compression. gzip compression reduces the size of files sent from your server to the user's browser, resulting in faster loading times. Most caching plugins have an option to enable gzip compression, or you can modify your website's .access file. Alternatively, you can use plugins like gzip Ninja Speed Optimization to handle this process effortlessly. Utilize a content delivery network, CDN. Utilize a content delivery network, CDN. A CDN stores your website's static files on servers located worldwide, delivering them to users from the closest server. Services like Cloudflare, Max CDN, or KeyCDN offer CDN functionality. By leveraging a CDN, you can significantly reduce the load time of your website for visitors around the globe. Remove unnecessary plugins and themes. Excessive plugins and themes not only clutter your WordPress installation but can also slow down your website. Deactivate and delete any plugins and themes that you no longer use. By keeping your WordPress environment clean and streamlined, you'll notice a noticeable improvement in speed. Regularly update WordPress, themes, and plugins. Outdated software can be a major speed bottleneck and can pose security risks. Stay up to date with the latest versions of WordPress, themes, and plugins. By doing so, you'll ensure that you have access to the latest features, bug fixes, and security patches, all of which contribute to a faster and more secure website. Monitor and optimize. Optimizing your website's speed is an ongoing process, and it's crucial to continuously monitor its performance. Use tools like Metrics or Pingdom tools to regularly check your website's speed and performance metrics. Adjust and optimize as necessary to maintain peak performance.